Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can add table in the Canva. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, select any template which you want to make. For example, I want to make YouTube thumbnail. So after that, I will select blank template. And here you will see element options at the left side. Just click on it and then search here table. And here you can see different table. So you can select any table which you want to select. So after that you can adjust the size of table. And here you can write anything, and here you can increase the size of text. If you want to change the color of text, you can also change. So guys, in this way you can add any table in the Canva. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.